The last time we were here, we did stay right next door in the famous tiny boathouse, which I will show you. This is a great location to stay. You can walk to everything. They have wonderful restaurants. And this is very secure. They give you a code to get in. So only the people that are supposed to be in there are, and that's staying. And here it is, the famous tiny houseboat. They do have a little deck outside, so you can go out and relax, have a good time. It is a 2-story house, plenty of room. There's the prom queen. There she is. And here comes Glen.